Hi, my name's Raveena. I am 25. I'm from the UK and I work in marketing. So I was 18 when I first found out that I had RP. I'm now coming for treatment to maintain the level of vision that I have. I've also noticed since coming to Dr. Yu, my central vision, my prescription, I do wear glasses, but my prescription really has not changed in the past 6 years, I think I've been coming here. So I have been very fortunate then as well. My vision is really being maintained.
Raveena started 2017 and she comes with reduced visual field, reduced vision, poor night vision. After the first 10-day treatment, she improved. Everything getting better. Night vision getting better, field getting better, vision getting better. In August 2017, 6 years ago. And today is August 17, 2017. It's your second visit. Can you share with us what you have and what's the progress after the treatment?
I'm Raveena, I'm 19 and I'm from England. I have Retinitis Pigmentosa and I got told that I had that a year ago.
A year ago?
Yeah.
So she came for the second program. After the second program, she basically gained all the visual acuity back. She can see the bottom line of the visual field of the eye chart. She can see 180 degrees and she can see better at night.
On my first visit, I was a little overwhelmed because I didn't know how much acupuncture and herbs could help. It was a very different experience, so I was a bit shocked at how it was going to help and what the treatment was like. However, as the days went on and I did more and more testing, I realised that my visual field, so my peripheral vision, was beginning to open up more and more. And as I was doing central vision testing, the amount of lines that I could read each day was increasing. So I became more and more relaxed as the time went on, and I became more used to the treatment that I was having.
She basically returned a normal visual function. So in our program, normally take 4 programs in 12 months to complete the whole thing.
As I came back for my second treatment, I knew what to expect, so I was completely comfortable with the process. I knew the amount of treatments I'd have a day, the kind of drinks I'd have, the herbs, and you have a whole new set of people, so you hear all new stories and how Doctor was able to help them. And then this time, as I was doing testing, you improve even further, and as you're improving, your confidence grows. So when I'm going out at night, I don't think, oh, I can't do this because I'm not going to be able to see, or I don't think, oh, I need to hold someone as I'm walking. And recently I visited the flyover Canada, and it was quite dark in there, but because I knew that I was having treatment and I'd seen the improvements during the day, I knew that I was going to be able to walk around, walk down the stairs and not trip over.
You mean in the movie? In the movie set?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And I was confident enough to go on my own and not think I need someone to be there or someone to hold to ensure that I don't trip over anything. With my central vision, the first time I came I could read the 7 lines. As I just did a test now, I've got consistent 20/20 vision, and I just read 5 letters from the very bottom line.
Many patients after the 2 sessions like Raveena will just stop. I get everything. Why I need to go back? But this really follows. They come for the first 12 months. She made the effort, come every 3 months, 3 or 4 months. So we had 4 programs consecutively line up. So by 2018 in June, we had 4 programs in 12 months, and we're gonna get everything back: visual acuity, visual field, and night vision. Then we come to the maintenance. Yeah, That's our program. It's normally in 12 months we can help our RP patient gain back their vision, normal. And then we go to maintenance. We'll see once a year, once every 2 years. So, and she come back a year later, 2019, in July. She remained very good vision and the vision field. And the reason she can maintain that good vision is because she is taking the herbs, the cookies, the exercise, stay away from the computer as much as she can, and also doing the exercise at home, drink the chai tea to prevent cold instead of take the vaccine, right? Yeah. But after that, COVID came, right? We stopped for 3 years. During the COVID, we stopped for 3 years face-to-face treatment, but we continued herbal medicine, the cookies, exercise. You stayed away from the vaccination, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. That's why even 3 years, we haven't seen Raveena for 3 years. Her vision, visual field, everything remains basically normal. Very good maintenance. So last year, after COVID lifted, she came right away. We gave her a 10-day treatment. She came back the vision, improved the vision even more. And then last year to this year, in the summer, for 1 year, for the whole year, she didn't lose any vision in the visual field. So very good maintenance. So Raveena is really a good reflection of what RP treatment can be. So normally we have a treatment period for 12 months. Within this 12 months, you fit in 4 programs. Most patients will get that they are basically normal vision and visual field. They can function independently, driving, walking, everything. After that, maintenance once a year, and with the treatment, have a 10-day treatment or 5-day treatment once a year. And during these 12 months, take some herbs, functional food to maintain the vision, exercise, and yep. So up to now, it's 6 years. So you have maintained very good vision, very well. Yeah. Not only our treatment very successful, our maintenance also very successful. Raveena, so you can share with us what you did to maintain such good vision, in this 6 years of period. Yeah.
So I take the herbs morning and night, the eye exercises, and there's tablets and also gummies, and then also like listening to the doctor, changing some aspects of my diet. I try and live like as healthy lifestyle as possible, going to the gym, going for walks, because I do work on a computer-based job. I take the blue light out of my computer, so I basically put it on night mode all day, so it just looks a bit more orange. I'm doing the same to my phone. In the evenings, I'll go for a walk and not take my phone or any technology with me, just to like give my eyes a break. And yeah, just trying to live as healthy lifestyle as possible.
And how's your sleep? How
Yeah,
you
sleep's
maintain
really
sleep?
good.
You
I
sleep
fall
early?
asleep when I have treatment now as well.
Yeah. When do you go to bed and how long you sleep every day?
Around 7 to 8 hours every day, and then I wake up in the morning and go to the gym before work, before I start work.
At night you go to sleep at what time?
Around 11.
11, okay, yeah, good. Yeah. So the sleep also very important.
Yeah.
What's good thing is you stayed away from the flu vaccinations of all kinds.
Yeah.
Use chai tea, right?
Yeah.
Drink chai tea to help.
Yeah.
People always wondering, after treatment not getting better, after the first treatment not getting better, how long it can last? you already proved to them 6 years, good vision for 6 years.
The process.
Yeah. You know, people always wondering, yeah, after treatment not getting better, after the first treatment not getting better, how long it can last? You already proved to them 6 years, good vision for 6 years.
The process.
Yeah.
This is now my 7th treatment with Dr. Yu, and I've been able to maintain consistent results when doing the field vision tests at the clinic. And I also was able to maintain my vision throughout COVID. I did actually have COVID twice, and I was lucky enough for it to not impact my vision at all. So although I come to the clinic every 2 weeks for acupuncture with Dr. Yu, the most important part is maintaining your plan, like your treatment plan when you get home. So it's really important to continue with having your herbal tries in the morning and the evening, as well as the herbal tablets. I also take gummies, the blueberry gummies that Dr. Yu has, and the eye exercises. So that really does maintain my vision. And as RP is something that is progressive, I keep coming back to ensure that my vision stays where it is, if not even better. So yeah, the maintenance of the program and your treatment is just as important as coming to the clinic every year for the 2 weeks.